These are the ingredients for our burrito mix. Small onions, the garlic, we have our black beans here, and I have chosen just this Master Foods Mexican chili powder. And it just has cumin, chili and garlic and also paprika. I'll prep these and I'll be back in a sec. I have all my ingredients prepped. It's important you want to save the liquid in the black beans, so that will actually add flavor. So the Mexican chili seasoning is just my preferred seasoning. You can use cumin, paprika. So I've got my ingredients prepped, I've got all cooking. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our onion. And you want to keep everything to a low heat, and you want to make sure that you use a wooden spatula, because I'll show you why that's handy in a bit. And just cook the onions a bit until they're a little bit translucent, or until they bring out a nice aroma. And turn the heat down a bit. Your heat should be low at all times because you don't want your ingredients to burn. I'm going to put in my garlic now because it's been about 20 seconds or so and the onions are starting to get the moisture released. And we only want to cook the garlic just enough so the fragrance comes out. We're going to use our Mexican chili seasoning, and we're going to actually add it to the onion and garlic. And I usually just aga. It's about I would say a teaspoon at this stage. Let those spices, the chili, the cumin, and there's a little bit of garlic in the Mexican chili sauce, the chili seasoning, sorry. So you don't need to use a lot of fresh garlic. Smells good. And because this is so dry at the moment, even if we add the beans, if we drain the beans, we'll lose out on all this liquid, which already has some salt and sugar in it. Just pour in the whole can of beans. And use your spatula to use your smallest spatula, get everything up. And with your cooking spatula, you want to crush half these beans, and crushing it with your spatula will make a nice texture. Mix the beans with the onion and the garlic. Sometimes I like to have some beans intact. And at this point, after beans have cooked a little bit, I like to add a lot more seasoning, so about, I would say 2 teaspoons this time. And at this point, excuse me that this isn't vegan friendly, but I usually put in a little bit of butter. It gives that nice fatty texture. So I'll put in about a tablespoon. Melt the butter and make sure after you use all the beans, you have to wash your container and separate it from your trash. Make sure you properly recycle your used black bean containers. I usually give this 1 check for seasoning. It needs more of this. Now at this stage, you can put in salt, you can put in garlic powder, you can put in chili powder, not chili sauce. I'm putting in, I think, another 1.5 teaspoons. So it's been just about 10 minutes. And in such a short period of time, after you've done your prep, of course, you'll have something like this. Black bean burrito mix. Simple, meatless, but might I say, very delicious. Good morning, so it's about 4 AM and as you can see, got nice little burrito going on, and just gonna reheat this on low heat in a tortilla wrap and we'll see how it looks. This is the final product. We'll just give it a taste. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Selamat berpuasa and thank you.